Assalamu alaikum students. We had started our first chapter, that is basic skills and landforms, in our previous video. Today we will continue with the heading of understanding graphs. With the numerical representation in the graph, it has become easier for us to recognize and understand the reason of upward and downward sloping. Let me explain it with the help of a refer to page number 7 in your book, please. In this graph, as you can see, this line is known as y-axis and this line is known as x-axis. All these are the months. J is denoted for January, F is denoted for February, and so on. And these are the average monthly rainfall in millimeters. It is showing that in January the rainfall increases to 53 millimeter. Then in February it increases to 54 millimeter, and then it drops till July, where it increases from till 20 to 25 millimeter. Then again it falls till November and reaches to 5 millimeter. Then in December it rises again to 25 millimeter. There is another figure, that is 1.7, on the same page with different graphical representation. It is showing the average monthly temperature on the y-axis and the months on the x-axis, which is this line, and it is showing that monthly temperature is in centigrade. Here it is stating that, right? And it is showing that from January till July it keeps on increases, then it keeps on falling gradually till December. Our next heading is understanding diagrams. Its first type is cross section. As you can see in this picture, when the apple is cut from the between, the flat side of the apple is showing a cross section of the apple, right? Then there is another type, that is block diagram. This is the block diagram. This is the block diagram with the representation of cross section, but it is in the shape of the block. That is why it is known as block diagram. Our next heading is statistics, which is usually written in tabular form. It can either be in the form of a bar chart, that is this, or it can be in the form of the pie chart. It is just used to understand the specific percentages. As you can see, there are percentages written, the specific percentages of any study. We'll continue with the section B, that is landforms, in the next part, inshallah. Must read the chapter for better understanding. Allah Hafiz.